Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the error occurred while logging to the Night of the Full Moon game. So let's get started our video. So first of all, you have to just check your internet connection. If you are using your mobile data, then you have to just turn this to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. If this method not work, then you have to just click on your airplane mode and turn it for the 5 minutes. After this, you have to just turn this off and then switch to the mobile data or Wi-Fi that you use. Okay, it will solve your problem and you will be successfully log into your game. And after this, you have to just open your Play Store or App Store that you use in your Android phone or iPhone. You have to just search here the Super VPN, and here you will find the first VPN. You have to just click to install it. After this, connected this VPN, and after connection, your problem will be resolved successfully and you can log into your game without any problem. So I hope this helps. If not, you can leave a comment below. So leave a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.